We had existing trees to the north and to the south of our building that came into the conversation early on. Most often we end up just sort of disregarding or removing and replacing trees, but Penn State doesn't think that way about their, the maturity of their arboreal realm. Their arborist, their landscape group, they were in every meeting and they directly impacted the project. There's a campus map of trees. They've documented every single tree above a certain small caliber. Thousands of trees across this campus. Each tree has an identity, each tree has a history. AVBS, as we learned, had one of these heritage trees to the north. It was a Japanese pine tree, or is a Japanese pine tree of great value. It is a very rare tree, and that became one of our primary design drivers. We went through exhaustive study on what it would mean to the footprint of our building to protect that tree. And we kept it, we worked around it, we designed around it. As one of the successful outcomes to the project, the tree apparently is healthier than it ever was. On the south side of the building, we had a grove of very mature oak trees. Those trees, being called the Grove, was the name of our winning scheme for our massing option. That whole elevation at the second and third floor is lined with labs. And those labs, they look out from their space where they're working at their bench, coming from their fume hoods back to their microscopes. They're looking out the windows. And right there is this canopy of trees. That's the Grove.